How to recover your Discord without any backup method. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open Discord support, and that is going to be support.discord.com. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and submit a request. All you need to do is simply go ahead and search for lost account and then submit a request. How can I help you? You can simply put help and support, hacked account, or compromised account, and I can't access my account. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and explain your issue, put in your email, and explain in brief what exactly happened. You want to provide helpful details like your Discord username and tag, your user ID, when you created the account, and many, many more. You can also simply go ahead and submit and wait, and they will go ahead and reach out to you. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and use the account recovery email in order to go ahead and receive the reset password link to reset your password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.